In the heart of a lush forest, there stood a magnificent apple tree, its branches heavy with ripe, juicy apples. Atop this tree lived a kind-hearted cat named Willow. Willow was not an ordinary cat. She had a caring spirit that extended beyond herself. She had made the apple tree her home, and she cherished her little neighborhood of animals. Willow was known for and wide for her generosity and concern for others. She would often share the apples from her tree with the animals in the forest, from the playful monkeys to the wise old owl. Her neighbors adored her not only for her tasty treats but also for her warm companionship. One sunny day, while Willow was enjoying the view from her perch, she noticed a young rabbit named Rosie looking distressed. Rosie has lost her way in the dense forest and was scared and hungry. Without hesitation, Willow leaped down from the tree and guided Rosie back to her family. Rosie's family was relieved and thanked Willow profusely. Another time, a snake named Slather got caught in a hunter's net. Willow, hearing Slather's cries for help, quickly scampered down and used her sharp claws to free him. Slather was immensely grateful and promised never to harm any of Willow's friends. As the seasons changed, the jungle animals continued to sport and protect Willow in their own unique ways. The monkeys would gather fruits from the treetops and leave them at her doorstep. Also, the birds would sing melodious tunes to keep her company, and the deer would keep watch over her while she napped in the afternoon sun. One day, a storm swept through the jungle. The winds are relentless and the rains poured like never before. Willow's apple tree swayed dangerously and her neighbors watched in concern. In a moment of unity, they all rushed to help. The monkeys held on to the branches, the birds shielded Willow from the rain, and the deer guarded the tree's base. Through their combined efforts, they managed to keep the apple tree and Willow safe from harm. As the storm subsided, Willow looked at her friends filled with gratitude. She realized that their kindness had saved her and her beloved tree. The moral of the story, tit for tat, was evident.